Have you ever thought about putting a bay leaf inside your washing machine? It might sound a bit strange at first, but in this DIY video, I'll show you exactly why it's worth trying. I'm going to walk you through two simple techniques, one quick and easy, the other requiring a bit more patience but delivering outstanding results. So stay tuned until the end to discover how this small natural trick can truly surprise you. Many of you already know that when a bay leaf is burned, it releases a deep and relaxing fragrance filled with essential oils that spread through the air, creating a soothing atmosphere. For centuries, people believed this aroma could clear negative energy from the home and encourage calmness and focus. The natural elements inside bay leaves, such as eugenol and cineol, are famous for their comforting and slightly calming properties. Long ago, traditional healers used them to ease the mind and body after a stressful day, always in moderation, of course, since even nature's gifts must be respected. Now, let's get back to the home tricks our grandmothers loved. They knew how to keep laundry fresh, soft, and bright using only what they had in the kitchen. Their do-it-yourself methods still amaze us today with how effective they are, simple, natural, and inexpensive. One of the most curious yet practical of these secrets involves adding bay leaves to the washing process. It may seem odd at first, but once you try it, you'll understand why so many people swear by it. The first and fastest method couldn't be easier. Just take a few bay leaves, place them inside a clean sock or small fabric pouch, tie it securely, and toss it right into the washing machine drum along with your clothes. The second way takes a little longer but works wonders. Grind a few bay leaves into small pieces, then place them in half a liter of hot water. Add a small spoonful of baking soda and let it sit for several hours so the natural oils can fully infuse. Friends, tell me in the comments where you're watching from. I love hearing from people all over the world. Once the mixture is ready, strain it, add a few liters of clean water, and soak your colored clothes for a few hours before washing them as usual. When bay leaves are boiled, they release natural components that have antibacterial and refreshing effects, helping your fabrics keep their original colors while eliminating unwanted odors. Baking soda softens the water and enhances cleaning power, leaving your clothes fresh and bright. Together, they naturally disinfect and rejuvenate fabrics, ensuring a more efficient wash every time. My dear friends, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out the next video full of creative DIY ideas and clever home tricks to make everyday chores easier. Take care and see you soon.